Hey everyone, this video is just the answers really quickly for your Pear deck. For those of you who want a quick check, just the answers, and then you can move on to your quiz in iReady. And the longer video goes through a little bit of the how-to for any of them. You can kind of scan through and see one or two of the questions that you wanted more details for time purposes. So remember your norms no matter what. We are going to be trying our best today for that quiz and our practice beforehand. My goal is for you to practice for about 30 minutes. I know everybody works at different speeds, so if you did not get all questions done, do not worry. It was meant for you to practice. And number 19, you should have gotten 14 and 484 thousandths with that subtraction problem. Number 20, you should have added all of those numbers up and gotten 4 and 425 thousandths. When you are adding the numbers for number 21, you should have gotten 29 and 255 thousandths, which is choice C. And Evan, it's always good to analyze. If he did not consider the decimal points, that is a way that he could get 19,995. The last 5 came from your instruction book, pages 88 and 89. And number 1 should have been B, getting that 16 and 643 thousandths. Number 2, when you're subtracting, you should have gotten 605 thousandths. Number 3 was a 2-step problem, and you should have added the numbers first to get a total of 31 and 174 thousandths, and then subtracted to get a difference of 1 and 174 thousandths. The last page, if you got there, asked you to analyze a race. And remember, with a race, it's faster means the lower score. So choice C was the only one that was correct. Number 5 asked you to analyze what Kay might have done wrong. She could have written all the numbers lined up with no regard to the decimal point, like you can see here. She should have done that decimal point lining up trick that we've been doing last week. And finally, Stacy also did something incorrect, so you had to analyze that. And you can see I've shown you her wrong answer of how she got 10 and 507 thousandths. And then since it says to solve the problem correctly, you should have subtracted, lining up the decimal points, and gotten 15 and 457 thousandths. And I wrote on an explanation that she didn't line up the numbers according to the place value. Her answer doesn't make sense. And again, estimations help us know that. If you estimate that to be 16 minus 50 hundredths or 5 tenths, you would get an answer of 15 and a half, which is much closer to our real answer than 10. And so hopefully this is a quick check for you. If you want any in-depth explanations, go to the 15-minute video. I know some of you will be good with a quick check and then moving on to your quiz. And if you were struggling on any of these or got them wrong, I'll encourage you to go listen to the 15-minute video and the explanation of the questions. So again, show your work, show your work, show your work. On that quiz, take your time, make sure you're typing in those answers right, and please make sure you get it done today as much as you can possible so that you can work on iReady My Path for the rest of the week and not be short on your minutes. So have a great rest of your day and good luck on your quiz. Bye.